How we doing, guys? Good morning. Well, if you guys watched the videos we came out with on Friday, we showed you guys 4 bearish signs in the market that Ethereum was looking to head down, and that call was made right over here on this candle, and that's what we got. We then came out with a Bitcoin video where we said, here are 5 bearish signs in the market. We were looking for the drop back down from Friday, and that was this call right here, and then we ended up seeing the drop back down. I'm actually going to show you guys today on Ethereum, honestly, undisputed, guys, 5 bullish signs in the market that we could be heading back up right now. So we're going to dive into this real quick, guys. Price versus well, money flow, trend exhaustion, all the indicators are in the description. You guys will see this pinned to the comment. You can read through this. Here's the bundle pack. Here's our indicators. I will show you at the end of the video how to get 53% off the new indicators, so stick around for that. But I want to dive into the analysis right now to show you guys how they work, to prove to you guys this is some good technical analysis here, and I think you guys are really going to like it. Okay, let's go with the undisputed patterns everybody needs to be looking at to start off here. We have a buy signal that's forming on the daily time frame. Why is this so important? It's important because if you look at the accuracy of this, of what we've seen in the past, it has literally called a 43% jump in Bitcoin before over here. Excuse me, guys. I was actually pulling the end of that candle. The bottom of that candle to the height here is about 60%, 59.56%. Okay, on the candle close here, we're looking at about a 40% move up in the market, about 45% we jumped up here. Could we be seeing that? Possibly. So our first sign up here that I want everyone just to observe here is we do have a buy signal, and this is forming, and this is pending candle close. Okay, I want everyone to understand this, but this is a bullish precursor sign, okay? So right now, this buy sign is coming out saying, hey, it looks like we're going to close this candle as a buy, but we need to wait until the candle closes to make sure it's confirmed. Once it's confirmed there, it will be a buy signal forever, and it will not repaint. We are going to watch to see once it closes if it's going to give us a buy, because if it does, that is a high correlation chance that we're going to see it move back up. If you look at what happened on Bitcoin the last times we've seen this, it's called some pretty nice moves, and it did call the move up here before we eventually ended up moving down. All right, that's bullish sign number 1. Let's get into the second pattern here. We actually have what's called a descending channel. We came from an ascending channel, which an ascending channel is by nature a bearish sign, which we talked to you guys about. If you come over here and pull a regression trend, you can clearly see that we are in what's called a descending channel. Descending channels like to break to the upside. They are bullish in nature. So we actually have over here what's called a descending channel. And this by nature is bullish. Okay, so that's number 2. Okay, number 3 over here, we're going to take a look at price versus well money flow. Well money flow has been selling out of the market. So wells have been selling in this market here. If you take a look at how low this is right now, and you guys just come up straight over here, and you look to see, all right, what's happened when it's been low at this prices before? We can see down at these areas, if we just go straight up, we can see some bullishness take back over into the market, okay? Just come right here and go straight up. We can see bullishness enter back into the market. Even down here, it tried to dip down a little bit. We didn't get exactly to that point, but we saw some bullishness enter back in. So we do have this as a bullish sign of wells selling, which I do believe is going to turn into some buying power. So price versus well money flow. This is going to be, we're going to call this low, and this is a bullish sign, okay? All right. Here we go. We're going to keep going more here. We're going to look at trend exhaustion here. We're taking a look at this, and what we actually have is a form of divergence. So what you're seeing is price action is actually heading out of the market, and during that same period, we have the trend exhaustion showing us that the trend is exhausted from going down, and it's trying to push back up here. So this is actually a bullish divergence pattern on the trend exhaustion here. Okay, we saw this and we called this out right here. If you guys can observe this with me real quick, we actually saw price action heading up here in this duration period, and we actually ended up seeing the well money flow starting to move out right here. If you guys call that, this was actually one of the bearish signs. This divergence right here added to that bearish pressure in the market. So we actually have trend exhaustion over here, okay, TE, and this is divergence. And this is actually, in this case, it is bullish, okay? The last one that we need to look at, which everyone should be seeing here, is we actually have what's called a 50% Fibonacci retracement on the chart this morning. So if you guys take the high, and you pull this down to the low, where we got the strong buy signal right here, we are exactly hitting a 50% Fibonacci retracement, which by nature is a bullish sign in the market. So let's come over here. Let's do the fib. Let's do 50% fib retracement. Okay, and this by nature is bullish. So all of these signs here, guys, are actually pointing to more of a bullish sign in the market than bearish. Now, if we had a sell signal come out, we'd have to call that as a bearish sign. Okay, if this was at the top, we'd have to call that bearish. If this was at the top, we'd have to call that bearish. But it's not. A lot of signs in the market today are looking like, and it's obviously clear here, we are looking for a market reversal and a turnaround. What's nice about this, let me transition us into this part of the video, is that since the market's going up, it's actually pushing us up into some scalping trades that we currently have active on the charts. And so that's actually pushing us closer back into profit even faster. And you guys might actually win the last trade we end up calling out. I'm not going to say it on YouTube here, but I'll call it out for you guys when we do eventually win it. I want to keep that for our members. So here's the deal, guys. This is the best metric you guys can get to call tops and bottoms. And I'm going to just dive in here and tell you guys really quick how to do this. The trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow. When these are low, they're calling reversals in the market. Here's how you guys do this. I'm going to walk you through it. There's a link in the description. So the bundle pack right now, you guys are going to get 82% off, okay? Click right here. I'll just show this to you guys. If you buy them all at retail value, you guys are going to get $2,241. Okay, we're going to save you guys a lot. $399. Once you guys purchase this, here's the deal about this. Once you purchase, you will immediately get a PDF at checkout, which is basically just a fat coupon code, which once you have that coupon code, once you have the bundle pack, come back over here, click this up here for TC Top and Bottom Finder, and you guys will get 53% off this price. Now, if you guys do the math here, the new indicators, if you buy them by themselves, is actually more expensive than to come over here and get the bundle pack first and then get the new indicators. So that's what we talk about right here. It's cheaper to get the bundle pack, immediately get the coupon code, immediately check out, and you guys get access to everything today. You get 11 indicators instead of 2, and that's like the deal we've got going on right now. So take advantage of it, guys, and watch this market here. I truly believe if we can see today, if at the end of today at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on the daily time frame, if this buy signal can hold, so literally, I want everyone to check at 5:05 p.m. tonight Pacific Standard Time. If this candle closes with a buy signal, I do believe we're going to get quite bullish here. And if we break this descending channel here, which by nature is bullish, we could start moving back up here pretty quickly and having a little bit maybe of a relief rally going into maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of this week. So overall, guys, these are bullish signs in the market that we're seeing right now. So definitely be paying attention to these. All right. Have a good one, guys. Get the indicators on your chart. Enjoy the analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis here. I think you guys are enjoying this a little bit more. I'm trying to go through and just show you guys and really teach you how to look at these charts to kind of call market reversals. But overall, we're already seeing the move back up here this morning. I was looking at you and I before I started the video. I was even at like 4 to 5%. So we've even climbed another 2% on that. So the market is turning around. Let's see if we can hold, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Indicators, everything you guys need is in the description. And I will see you guys later. Sorry, one more thing. I'm sorry, I should have said this already. Guys, our membership, $75 a month. If you guys want to snag this as well, I'm calling out the scalping trades for you guys. We're currently at 440% more than the S&P 500, and we currently have a trade that we're managing, which is, getting closer back into the profit as the market moves up here. So if you guys want a membership where I'm calling trades out for you guys, then just come over and snag this. The charts that you see, if you guys are like, man, those indicators are kind of expensive for me, I understand. With this membership, you guys will actually get access to those charts. The exact chart that I was showing you this morning, you guys will see over here when this updates at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, you will see that buy signal over here, okay? And then watch to see if it holds tomorrow after the 5 p.m. close. So you guys actually get access to that metric on the daily time frame, which honestly, guys, I think is the most accurate, arguably the most accurate time frame to use this metric anyways. And we also give you guys access to this metric on all of the stocks as well. So all the S&P, like guys, S&P just tanked, took everybody by surprise over here. And I think we actually have a buy signal that's going to come out today on SPY. So you guys get access to all this as well. So if you guys are like, hey, I need to go with the little cheaper route for now because the market's where it's at, that's fine, guys. $75 a month gives you access to the entire website, stocks and crypto included, and you get the metric every single day, and you get all of our trade calls. So if you want the best of both, snag a membership and the new indicator with 53% off. But if you guys just want the membership, that's where you guys are going to get all the trade calls I'm making as well as the chart. So it's kind of a win-win for you there. All right, guys, God bless you. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.